That's not where I want to go though. It's where they play bocce. So I found this little fanny pack from Dollar. It's literally a fanny set. So guys, hi. Ooh, I'm actually. Anyways, so this is where I would come and get some like peace and serenity. As you see, I'm not really prepared for it. Like I'm literally wearing a beanie and glasses, and there's people all around me, but at the same time, like there isn't. So anyways, this is what's therapeutic for me. I'll probably go down that way and then I'll end up going home, but this is what I like to do. Alright? Man, I gained some weight, bro. Like, I literally gained some weight. It's crazy. I just love the sound of birds. Anyways, I just figured I'd show you a little clip of where I'm at. You guys, when I tell you that being out here makes me feel so good, I'm not kidding. Anyways, I also wanted to let you guys know that I went shopping a little bit to kind of like, let's walk and talk, to kind of like buy myself something for finishing up my first, and I don't want to give out too much details because I've got some people that are too nosy, and I don't want them, I just like to keep some things private. Yeah, I went shopping and I bought myself a few things, and yeah, so anyways, it's just a lovely day. I thank God for it. Honestly, every day, rain or shine, is beautiful, but when those sun rays hit you and when you get nature, honestly. So like, I just wanted to say that coming out here, and I really wasn't going to, because I've been kind of like a hermit the past month and a half, considering everything that's been happening. So now that I'm out here, it feels so nice, it feels so good, and the sun hitting me is like so nice. I mean, I did go to my daughter's track meet last week, and I sat out there for like 3.5 hours, and obviously I'm going to support my daughter, and she did great, by the way. I might show a clip here or there, but I might not, because it shows school. So anyways, what I'm doing right now is pretty much it's good to ground on grass, preferably, but being that I'm in the sun, and some people bring their pups and stuff and they walk them, and this isn't my private yard, so I can't really ground here, but I do look forward to doing that in like an open field where I know like there's no pets allowed, so like I can walk barefoot. I did that last year in Lake Erie, And I'm telling you right now, it was so invigorating. The feeling was the best. So I'm just out here, you know, rocking my little Dollar Tree fanny and enjoying the sun rays. Yeah, it's a little bit cloudy, but over here you can see some blue sky. Anyway, so yeah, I just encourage anybody that is feeling down to just get outside and walk. I find that very important and crucial to your health, and you know, you'll feel a lot better. So when you get the chance, do it. So I'm gonna cut this short because there's like people walking and stuff like that. Anyways. And that's it, folks. Enjoy the rest of your day. I will cut this video short and keep on the lookout for more videos. Bye. Love you guys.